charming. Dashing he would be, with bravery unmatched, muscles abound, humility to spare. And did I mention he was young? The king waited for a heroic prince to save his daughter.
Is the prince here? Are you he? Where's the one who will break the spell?
But the prince never arrived. A jealous suitor named Volker had used magic to turn all of the other princes into frogs.
Frogs?
Yes, frogs. Now Volker was despised throughout the land. He was met with the sound of booing whenever he appeared.
I have turned all the princes into frogs.
Frogs?
Yes, frogs. You will soon have no choice but to release the princess and allow her to marry her true love, me.
Oh, never, Volker. My daughter will never marry you.
Well then, I hope she likes frog legs.
High above in the castle was the princess. She was truly beautiful, with crystal blue eyes and long, flowing brown hair.
Well, she had brown hair. Kids these days.
She searched from her window every day for her prince,
Where is my prince?
but found only Volker waiting for her.
So then, you are a fine girl. What a good wife you will be.
Then, one day, a magical voice spoke to her.
Princess Savannah, listen.
And then he said,
My magic is much stronger than your true love. You will be mine. What can these frogs do?
These are not just frogs, Volker. These are frogs from the kingdom of...
Lancaster.
These frogs will save you from your spell.
Them? Right.
Frog princes, show me your bravery, your daring, your skill. Help me break this spell.
The frog's display was great, yet Volker's spell remained.
The spell has not been broken.
Then the king thought. And came up with an idea.
All you travelers must help cheer for our frog princess. Make noise for each of the frogs. This is the frog prince of the land of peace. This is the frog prince from the land of destiny. Now, frogs, take to the water. Oh, Savannah, don't be cry for me. You see, smile and cheer my heart. Let's see if any of the frog princes can help with a smile to your sad and lonely face. Maybe that will break the spell.
You need more than a laugh to end my spell, King.
The frogs did their best to make the princess smile.
This contest ends. The princess is mine. Time to take care of you the old-fashioned way. Oh, God.
All right, young princess. Frogs, up to it.
Now what are you going to do? The princess is mine.
She does not love you.
Who does? But she'll learn. We'll be friends.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Everybody! Why can't we be friends? 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 Everyone, put your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. Let's all be friends, shall we? Friends to the end. All of us.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
That is the most powerful magic there is. Please release me. Let me go.
No.
Then Volker made a final challenge.
If one of these frogs will climb to the highest point of the castle and jump to show his bravery, I will release them from the spell and you will marry who you want.
Which one of you will be my savior?
Ida, which one of you frogs will climb to the top of my castle, jump to the moat below, and win my daughter's heart? Give me a brave volunteer.
The frog from the land of destiny quickly ascended the tower. The frog from the land of destiny quickly ascended with great speed. The frog ran up to the tower.
Well, 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 look at this. We have ourselves a hero. Perhaps he'll break the spell after all. That's right, little frog. Climb. Maybe I'll add a little wind. Or perhaps some thunder. Slow down, frog. We wouldn't want you to slip. Keep going, little frog. Higher. Higher. How many of you want to see
Only of the princess, and with the courage of true love, he jumped.
Your true love is no match for my magic. Come, princess. You are mine.
Look! It is the frog of destiny. The magic of true love has transformed me back into a prince.
Impossible! Oh, God!
Walker, you are defeated. Now remove your evil spell.
You win. I am defeated. I remove my evil spell from the land. Klaatu Baradis Necktie.
Leave this land, Walker, and don't you come back.
No more?
No more.
No more.
No more. Prince, join your princess. And for you travelers, remember this tale. For true love conquers all. love. Your frog, your prince.
And let this story be told throughout the years, as long as stories are told. The Frog, Prince of Destiny, braved the challenge for true love and broke the spell.
Tell me your name, Prince.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
This calls for a celebration.
They found true love, were married that day, and they lived happily ever after. Happily. They lived happily ever after. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the cast of the adventures